If you're unforgettable, what could I?
Shots till you wake up. Count every second on every clock. It's getting late. Yeah, that I know. The hours count. The hours go. By your side, and gonna hopes of getting tired. I call the shots till you wake up. Every second.
You came to my show and I saw you in the crowd. I didn't know your name, I didn't know your name. I asked all my friends who you were and your story. They told
me you applied pressure to help me crystallize, and you've got the faith that I could bring paradise.
I'll forgive and forget before I'm paralyzed. Do I have to keep up the pace to keep you satisfied?
Things have gotten closer to the sun, and I've done things in small doses. So don't think that I'm pushing you away when you're the one that I've kept closest. Hi.